Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and avoid damaging sensitive components. Start by powering off your ASUS K513E and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the screws on the bottom panel. There are typically 6 screws, keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be careful around the edges to avoid cracking the plastic. With the cover off, you'll see the battery connected to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery cable by carefully lifting the connector. This step is crucial as it ensures there's no power running through the laptop while you work. After removing the battery, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft brush or compressed air. This reduces dust buildup and helps your laptop function better. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it properly with the connectors and press down gently until it clicks into place. Make sure the connection is secure. If you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in ensuring your laptop is in optimal condition. Next, replace the bottom cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it snaps into place. Reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened securely. Do not over-tighten as this can damage the casing. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop. Check if the new battery is recognized by the system. If it is, great! You've successfully replaced your battery. If you encounter any issues, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for any repairs needed. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution for your tech needs. Finally, if you're unsure about the battery type or need a quote before repair, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll provide you with the necessary information and ensure you have the right components for your laptop. With these steps, you can confidently replace the battery in your ASUS K513E and extend the life of your laptop. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements are key to keeping your device running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.